All right, hi guys. Take that back out. Here's one of your drive sprockets per se. Pretty easy. That just slides in there, and there's a hole for a cotter pin. I used a new cotter pin, had to take it back out, but I can get that back in there. Second, I'm gonna cut in front of you. All right, just tap that down in there, just like so. All right, let's bend this back over. Like so. And put this chain back on. This isn't too bad. It can be a little finicky. You just want to pull this spring out. And like that. How about that? I'm recording it and it actually went on smooth. How about that? Now we're turning, guys. All right, I need a cotter pin back in there before I forget. And it seems to have vanished into the ground, so I'll just grab a new one. I think that'll work, guys. You guys wondering, Dad put all the cotter pins in this nice bin. Oh, see that? Not. But got these from Harbor Freight. And then Dad organized all his cotter pins in one. Did a good job. Oh, we need to bend this over. Everything's a hammer when you put your mind to it. All right, I'm gonna pause you guys for a minute and figure out what the next step is.